It is time for our lesson trivia. Choose the best answer. Jacob was A. At WrestleMania, B. All alone, C. With his family when he got into a wrestling match. B. All alone. A man wrestled with A. Jacob, B. Esau, C. Isaac all night long. A. Jacob. Jacob refused to let go until the man A. Gave up, B. Pinned Jacob, C. Blessed Jacob. C. Blessed Jacob. Jacob believed that he saw A. God, B. An angel, C. Esau face to face. A. God. God can make us stronger when we A. Give up, B. Run away, C. Persevere in hard times. C. Persevere. And that's all, folks. Thank you.